Hey there, and welcome to days 1 through 10 of the 100-Day Project 2023. I am incorporating fabric and paper and stitching into whatever projects I decide I want to create. So for the first 10 days, I actually created some booklets and different kind of books. So I just wanted to give you a quick peek at some of the features here. A lot of stitching. I did some various painted papers and created an assortment of different size and different types books. Some of them are a little bit big, and then some of them are kind of small. But I did stitch paper into them. And then this one, this is day 3, is actually made of paper. And then I just did some stitching and incorporated some fabric. Did a little stitching with the sewing machine as well on this one. Again, paper added. And just some little features here of more fabric and stitching. And this is day 4. And more stitching, paper. This was actually from a tea towel, both the front and the back. And this was also from a tea towel. And then I just incorporated some bits of ribbons and lace and some linen fabric, some sari ribbon, more painted papers, some more stitching. And this piece here was actually from a tea towel as well. So let's take a look at, this is day 6. I believe this is day 6. I love this. These little ones make me so happy. Some more fabric, more paper, painted papers and stitched in. This is from a handkerchief, this little small bit. And just some of the detail here. More lace, more stitching. Oops. Love the little detail here. More painted papers. Some of these are done with inks and acrylics. Some of these are done with coffee and tea. All right. All right, here's another one. I do love this one too. More little stitching detail. Some more painted papers. I did add in some book papers on some of these, some envelopes. All right, 2 more. Here's another one that was done with paper. Kind of get close to see some of the detail here. Some sari ribbon, little bits of fabric and lace. And I just added more painted papers, variety, some book papers. I love this painted one. And then some extra detail here on the back of this one. All right, and the final day, little mini book. This is actually from a handkerchief I found at a thrift store. More little bits of painted papers. All right, and that is days 1 through 10 of the 100-Day Project 2023.